If you have just sent out 100 job applications this month and still haven't booked a single job interview, problem isn't your skills, it's the way you apply. Most people are doing their job search completely manually, retyping the same information into every single portal, copy-pasting the same cover letter, applying to random roles just to feel productivity. And then they wonder why nothing's happening. In this video, I'm going to show you guys how to turn your job search into something that run almost on autopilot on a platform called JobAssist. On this platform, you can find roles that matches your skill, tolerate each application with AI, and auto-apply to hundreds of jobs for you, while you focus on interviews instead of endless forms. I'll walk you through what JobAssist actually does, how to set it up step by step, what inside of the dashboard looks like, plans and some honest expectations. The link to the JobAssist in the video description as well as in the pinned comment with 7-day trial. Make sure to check out all the important links. What JobAssist is and the problem it solves. On the homepage, you will see the headline, "Your dream job is waiting, will help you land it." JobAssist is not just another job board, it's a job search assistant that scans thousands of jobs, matches them to your profile, send out customized application for you, and keep everything organized in one place. They highlight some interesting stats: 2,400 plus applications sent for users, 10 plus hours saved per user, 92% job satisfaction rate, 89% of users still employed after 1 year. And they focus heavily on remotes and hybrid roles at well-known companies like Amazon, Google, Netflix, Spotify, HubSpot, and others. Now let's set it up together. Click Get Started and begin your journey. On the homepage, click the green button that says Get Started. You'll take into a screen that says Stop applying for weeks, start interviewing in days. Below it, you will see smart matches based on your skills, quick application, quick apply to hundreds of jobs, hours saved with automation. Anyways, click on Start Now, create your account with email. If you already have an account, you can log in. Once you are in, JobAssist will walk you through a short onboarding quiz, answer the setup questions. This trains your job search assistant. The first key screen says, tell us where you at. So choose any option according to yourself. So here you have to pick what matches your situation. You will then answer a few questions. For example, what kind of role you are targeting. For example, marketing manager, software engineering, and so on. What's your desired salary range, preferred location, or remote only. Your current experience level, education, and availability. You also upload your resume. JobAssist processes it so it can understand your skill and experience, pre-fill information on new application, help AI to tolerate each application to the job description. All of this information is stored into your profile screen, which is split into sections like basics, contact, link, resume, job preference, qualification, and self-identification. You can come back and edit all of these later if you like. Choose a plan and activate your account. Before JobAssist starts working for you, you have to pick a plan. On the pricing section, you will see 3 main options. 7-day plan around €9.99, 1-month plan around €19.99, 3-month plan around €39.99. Enter your card detail and confirm your payment and your account become fully active. Explore your personal job feed. After payment, you land in the job search or explore view. On the left, you will see a long list of matching job offers, company name and logo, job title, location or remote, salary range when available, how recently it was posted. On the right, when you click on a job, you will see full job description like role summary, responsibilities, requirements, perk and benefits, salary bands and employment type. You browse through these and handpick the one that feels right to you. This is important. JobAssist doesn't spray your resume everywhere. You still decide which role worth pursuing. You can save favorite, hide role you are not interested in, refine your search filter if something feels off, manage recruits replies in your inbox. When companies response, message appears in the inbox tab. At first, it says no conversation yet. When a recruit replies, it lands here. As the responses comes in, you will see company name, job title, message preview, and timestamps. You can open each conversation, replies, schedule interviews, and keep all communication organized. This way, your job search doesn't get lost in your messy mailbox. It's centralized inside the JobAssist. So that's pretty much it. I hope you found this review video valuable. If so, don't forget to hit the like button and don't forget to subscribe to this channel for more videos just like this one. Thank you so much for watching this video. Till then, I'll see you guys next time.